I just woke up. I had to show you this amazing sunset. Anyway, it's time to go.
Look at this guy, he's so red. I've been drinking a bit more.
And the winner lost.
Oh man, look at that. Alright, cheers boys.
Salud!
Cheers boys. Oh, that's good as. That's just a rum and coke. I don't know what's happening. Something's supposed to come out. I just got off my flight and I met up with the guys for dinner. We're at a beer rush, some like crazy underground game area. We're playing pool. We got darts, virtual darts. We got a snack area. A lot of yelling. Is it 3? Oh, John Cena! Oh. Ah. There you go.
Alright, this is officially day 1 in Japan. We are in Fukuoka. We got people still coming out of the apartment, but first day and it is gloomy as. It's like raining. I think we're gonna go grab breakfast at 7-Eleven and just walk around, I guess, in the rain. We've got to get an umbrella. We've only got 1 day here, and then we're going to Kyoto tomorrow. So that should be good. We got Carlo here, and then coming slowly is Mitch and Liz. Mitch and Liz.
Lock it up.
Let's go.
Lock it up.
Alright, we're gonna get some food. It's rainy. It's not that cold though. It's peak autumn now, so it's not too cold. Go on 7-Eleven. They got hot coffee right here. Yeah, it's hot coffee. It's warm. This one looks like a...
I don't like that black shit. That was fucking gross.
I feel like I'm just gonna get this one. That's hot, bro. That's hot as. Might get a fried chicken as well. Got a egg sandwich. Big boy's happy. He's got getting the film camera today. Which one is it? Pentax.
So good.
It's like heaven for photography.
Like, oh, what?
This is like my first time eating proper sashimi. Really? Eat it. I got no idea what that is. A little bit. It's something on some.
Oh, I did like the weirdest face.
Oh, so it's on 0.
Alright, here we go.
Isn't that your
But when it gets to 35 shots, it'll show 35. That's what you have to.
The weird thing is the texture.
Yeah, it's like a slimy.
Yeah. This is a challenge. Some sort of fish. Yeah, that's egg white. Egg white foam. The egg white one's not too bad. Wait, what's this park called? What? Okurikoen? Ohorikori? Ohori. What is that actually? Ohorikoen.
Yeah,
I feel like I'm saying it alright. Ohorikoen Park. Sunset's not really here because it is hella gloomy, but super quiet. Really, really nice. Mitch has brought the drone, so he's gonna fire that up. I might take a few pics while I'm here because it's pretty nice.
Yeah.
Mitch has got the drone up.
So,
how are we looking? We've been like running around to find a good drone spot, but Wait, do something funny.
Let's go.
I mean, man, it's a problem, it's a problem. Call my slits, call my slits. I want all of them. All come to the bed, yes, come to the bed. Yes, I'm gonna be her bed. My pops used to ride in that fucking punny.
Oh, nice shooting, Mitch.
Oh yeah, by the way.
Oh yeah, we got some stuff going on here.
We actually need content.
Now back to this though, man.
Moshi. Hi.
Okay.
ちなみにどんなドローンかな?
Police came by about the drone that Mitch was flying up, and I think he's just getting a warning, but it's all good. In the meantime, there's a hectic sun's come out, which is really good, but there's a hectic storm coming our way. But the sun's come out, but yeah, that's a bit unfortunate. But we're gonna go pack up and go get some dinner. I think we're gonna get ramen, so yeah, it should be good. Oh, yeah, that's good.
Beautiful.